Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to go on this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. After that you can see in the right hand side search icon. Just click on it. Then guys enter the model number of graphic card GeForce RTX 2080 Super Gaming OC8G and then hit enter. After that your graphic card search on this website. Then click on the product. After that you can see 1.0 2.0 there are two graphic card, so no worry, both graphic card driver and installations process, download process same. Select any. Then click on support. Select your operating system, Windows 7, 10, 11, so all the operating system driver download option same. Select this NVIDIA and this is the download icon. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. It is start downloading. It will take 4 to 5 minutes and depend about your internet speed. After downloaded, then click on three dot and then click on download option, download tab. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete driver installations will start. After that you can see, okay, now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next and then restart your system. You can see this is icon, next license options, and here to step finished. And after that also completed driver, then restart your system.